we're gonna get y'all a pull. So yo, YouTube, man, what's going on, man? I'm gonna close up the windows so y'all can hear me better and stuff. But I'm gonna crack it a little bit. I don't want too much wind. I don't want too much wind noises. So that's I'm gonna try to work with the windows thing. But let's go on ahead, man. You know, we're gonna get straight to the POV drive. The first POV drive in this car, we're gonna put in sport mode and turn traction control off. Wait. So the first POV drive in a Charger RT, man. We're gonna make everything fun for y'all, man. Hold on. As we're gonna get y'all a pull. Woo! I do feel that my car is not loud enough. I kind of want it to be a little louder. So if y'all got any exhaust setups that I need to do to get it louder, I'm willing to hear that. I hate the smell of that rubber, man. That shit be funky. Dang, I left my phone. Oh shit, my phone is the camera. I'm tripping. Hey, that car is coming. Yeah, this thing is kind of quiet, y'all. I'm sorry about that. $60. I gotta be careful going over them roads like that, y'all. My car is lowered, so I gotta be a little careful with that. Oh shit, we got a school bus. It be ready to go, y'all. Interesting Corolla. What that is? I believe, yeah, that should be a Corolla. Let me know some mods that y'all want to see me do to the Charger, man. Y'all know this is the hardest Charger build that's currently in progress of being built. I look to going deep into this build, so let me know what all y'all want to see on this build, and I could try my best, you know, to make that happen for y'all. It's a rather hard. I gotta be mindful of all these school buses, everybody getting out of school. I ain't trying to get no mean ticket or nothing, you know. Let me know, man, y'all mess with the interior? Y'all messing with it or not? This vet we coming up on hard though. A C8. C8 vets, they are baby though. That bit hard. It's like really hard to say a C. It's like it's hard to count a C8 as a vet. Like, I don't know. All these slow cars getting in front of me, man. Everything know it sound good when it shift, y'all. But you know, man, that's the end of this video, man. You know, I want to appreciate y'all for tuning in. Not too long of a POV drive, man. And I hope y'all enjoyed.